Earn $500 per hour just by reading. Did you know you can earn money simply by reading words? You don't believe it? Well, I'm going to show you it's for real with legitimate payment proofs if you watch this video until the end. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can make $200 to over $500 per hour by just reading words online. Now, you might be asking where you should watch this video, right? Well, first of all, this method which I will be teaching you today is 100% free and is available worldwide, so anyone can do this in any country. Secondly, you can start earning money after you watch this video because I will be teaching you the exact step-by-step method on how to do this. And finally, you'll see how much you can make and how easy it is. You'll be happy that you've watched this video until the end. But before I proceed, welcome to Rachel's Money Guide, where I teach you how to make money online the easiest way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online. Now, before I teach you the exact steps, I want you to check this out. This is your possible earnings on this website, and I'm excited to share this because this will pay you so much money just by reading. As you can see, you can earn up to $258 with just 0 to 2 minutes of work. You can even earn over $1,000 with just 30 to 45 minutes of work. Now, if you divide $1,000 by 45 minutes, that's around $22 per minute, and that's a lot. Stay tuned and watch until the end because I'll show you exactly how it works. Make sure not to skip any part of this video so that you won't miss out on any important details. First of all, you need to visit voices.com. Once you get on this website, this is exactly how it looks. As you can see, the voices here are used with the world's most trusted brands, which are Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, Hulu, and so much more, so this website works. They pay out to people every day, so you will receive all the payments via PayPal, via check, or bank transfer. There are also other payout methods, so you don't have to worry. Basically, on this website, there will be a lot of different categories and different projects, which would be available for you. I will also tell you the category to choose from that will give you the most amount of money. And also, you can select on a whole list of different projects. Once you select your favorite project, they will give you a script or template that contains all the words which you will read. You just have to record your voice and they're going to pay you depending on how long the project is. You can do it for less than 2 minutes. You can do it for 15 minutes, or you can even do it for over 45 minutes. It all depends on the project. What I love about this website is that they have unlimited opportunities for you. There are a lot of genres here, and there are new job postings every single day, so you don't have to worry about anything. If there is a project which will only require 5 minutes of your voiceover, then it means all you have to do is take less than 10 minutes of work a day and that's it. You're going to earn money, so if you have nothing to do at home and you have a lot of time at your disposal, then you can do whatever you desire here, whether it be a short voiceover or an hour-long voiceover. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now you might be asking, what if I don't have a microphone? How am I supposed to do this? Well, you do not need a sophisticated microphone to do this. You can use your mobile phone microphone, or you can use your earphones which have a microphone. You can use your iPhone or your Android device for this. You can record your voice with these gadgets. You don't need to buy a professional microphone. Your identity is not needed as well. Only your voice is needed for their projects. Nothing like any form of writing whatsoever. All you have to do is just pick and read the script which they would provide. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up. You can sign up by hovering your mouse here on the upper right-hand corner of your screen and click on the sign up button. After clicking that button, you'll land on this page right here, and they will be asking you, what are you looking to do? There are 2 options here: hire talent for your projects or find work as a talent. Now we will select find work as a talent. Then we will be redirected here where you will have to sign up as an actor. So you have to enter your full name here, your email address and your password. You have to agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then you can continue. But if you want an easy way of signing up, and then you can just continue with Google sign up process. So after signing up for an account, you'll see a lot of different industries on your dashboard where you can choose from. We have here advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer brands, education, financial service, gaming, healthcare, nonprofit, publishing, technology, and video production. So I'll be showing you which category will give us more money and the job which is suitable for any beginner and which works in so many different countries, from United States, India, Nigeria, Philippines, Korea, Germany, Norway, and so many other countries all over the world. So the genres which will give you a lot of money and opportunities are education, advertising, and last but not least, which will probably give you the most amount of money, is gaming. So I want you to focus on education, advertising, and gaming, because these are the top 3 categories that have the most amount of jobs and at the same time will pay you the most amount of money with the least amount of time and work that you need to spend. So for example, you choose education and you can see right here that there are a lot of different voice actors. There are male and female voice actors right here who are working with voices.com, and these artists are getting paid every time someone asks them to do a voiceover. So I do know that my viewers, you guys, come from different parts of the world and speak different languages. So what I like to do about this is is that you can see here on the left-hand corner of the screen, there is a language option. So there is an American language, African language, Arabic, Bulgarian, we also have Filipino, French, and so much more. So you don't have to worry because there are a lot of options here and you can pick whatever you like and you can earn money just by reading those scripts, those words, and depending on the hours that you're working. So if you want to make more money, you should select jobs that are over 45 minutes long, so you can earn over $1,000 whenever you do a project. So once you sign up and set up your account, you can then come over here to your available jobs, and you will find different jobs here online which are hiring right now. As you can see, they pay over $200, and there are a lot of jobs here. Let me just scroll down below, and as you can see, there are a lot of opportunities waiting for you. So as I've said, these jobs do pay a lot. All you have to do is just browse or whatever you like here and then give it a shot. So let me show you a sample script for the blogs, which is also one of the top paying categories here. So they will be providing sample scripts here on this website and you have to read them. So you see the name of the client here, the voice age which they're looking for, the gender, and the job description right here. So actually this is just an example because I just want to show you how it looks like if you're going to be hired. So all the information can be found here, and then below you can see what category it is, what industry, what style, language, the accent they want, and the word count. So they have a script here for a 60-second podcast intro. They also have a 30-second podcast intro, and finally they also have a 15-second podcast intro. This website has also an application that will be available on your mobile phone, so even if you're just laying down or doing whatever you're doing, you can do this because this is available in your App Store or Play Store. So all you have to do is to read the script on whatever script they're going to give you, and then that's it. You're going to make money just by reading words, and that's it. Do you want to learn how you can get paid $2,000 from Fiverr for free? Click here!